We have some interesting tech. Is it the solution to all of life's problems? No. But I think that there are many, many regions of Alaska where it's going to work, and it's going to help bend cost curves. But to do that, we need partners. One of those partners is XHAB 3D, who we'll introduce here just in a second. They are the developers of the robot.
This is really a systems level solution to solve a real problem, which is that conventional construction, particularly in places like Alaska, has real challenges. And we're trying to introduce productivity tools that, in coordination and collaboration with the experts in the field, can advance construction and make it more affordable, and then use it better to solve real problems like the housing problems in Alaska.
Our objective is to recruit more apprentices, get more people working, and provide training and really create livable wage jobs with this new technology.